In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-step verification on the Coinbase app. This process will take approximately 5 minutes, and it is a crucial step in enhancing the security of your cryptocurrency investments. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open the Coinbase app on your mobile device, or you can use the website on a desktop if that's more convenient for you. Once you've launched the app or site, log in with your usual credentials. This ensures you're accessing your own Coinbase account and not someone else's, as security is always priority number one. Next, navigate to the settings section. You can find settings by tapping the menu icon usually located in one of the screen's corners. Within the settings menu, you'll want to select security. This is where you can manage various security protocols associated with your account. Once in the security menu, look for the option labeled two-step verification, or sometimes known as Enable 2FA. Click on it to proceed with the setup. This feature adds an additional layer of security to your account, making it significantly harder for unauthorized users to gain access. You'll then be prompted to choose your preferred method for verification. Here you have the option to use SMS, where verification codes are sent to your mobile phone, or an authenticator app, which we highly recommend. Authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Authy provide time-based, one-time passwords that are more secure than SMS, which can be susceptible to interception. If you choose SMS, you'll need to input and verify your phone number. If you opt for the Authenticator app, the process involves scanning a QR code. Open your Authenticator app, find the option to scan a QR code, and point your device's camera at the code displayed on your screen. After setting this up, you will be required to enter a verification code to confirm your setup. If you chose the SMS option, you'll receive a text message with a code. Type this into the Coinbase app. For those using an Authenticator app, enter the 6-digit code it provides, which will refresh every 30 seconds or so. Once you've successfully entered the code, two-step verification will be fully active on your account. This means that each time you log into Coinbase from a new device or browser, you'll need to enter a verification code in addition to your password. This adds a critical layer of security, ensuring that even if your password is somehow compromised, your assets remain protected. And there you have it, the process is complete. You can now enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your Coinbase account is much more secure. Remember to keep your verification method accessible and never share your codes with anyone. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay secure.